Hello traders, how we doing today? What a day it's been on SPY, just multiple days of consolidation, nothing too crazy. No new developments in terms of market news, but we're just going to be going over the S&P 500 and the big holders, so let's get right on into it. So, big thing to see here on Tesla is that it seems like the lower end of this channel is showing some support. It's not a direct hit, but it's within the realm of close enough. Now, the big thing is to see if this support right here at 250 will hold, and to see if what happens at the resistance level right here at 254 and 257. So if we push up higher tomorrow, I'd be watching 254 and 257. If we push lower, watch 250 and 247. Now on Apple, let's see where we at with Apple. So we're pushing down into this demand level once again. Now this is a very critical area considering that it's going to be at this area right here at 176, and 176 is a big level for Apple. Now, the big thing to watch here is to see if this demand level is still valid. Keep in mind, we have been going into this area a lot lately, and we've been going lower and lower into it. So the liquidity is being eaten up in this demand, and eventually this demand is going to fail, and Apple's is going to come crashing right through it. Now, this could be a higher low right here. I mean, a higher high, I meant to say. I apologize. Or it could be a lower low. Now, the big thing is to see if the market tomorrow, Apple, to see if it pushes upward and it shows that we're going to make another higher high, or to see if this is a valid lower high within the larger trend. Can't talk today, sorry guys, but so that's going to be what I'm watching for Apple at least. So keep in mind this might be a lower high, or it might be a start of a new higher high. This is a lower high right here, so let's keep that in mind. So next one that we're going to be going over is Microsoft. So on Microsoft, the big thing to watch is to see how this 328.80 level plays out, or 329, whatever you want to call it. But this level right here is going to be big. If we stay consolidating on 332.64 and 328, then I would expect SPY to stay consolidating as well. So on Microsoft, just watch this range, and then NVIDIA, what a day NVIDIA has had. All I gotta say. Now, like I've been saying, this level right here was going to be big. I was expecting head and shoulders and a big dip at this level. I wasn't far off from that prediction, but then again, also remember buyers are very strong today. As you can see here, volume picked up on the news about China banning something to do with AI chips, I believe it was. Something along the lines that I don't follow NVIDIA closely. So if somebody wants to put that in the comment section, that'd be great. But so the big thing on NVIDIA to watch to see is if we can close above this candle right here tomorrow at 450, and to see if support at 425 holds up. Now, if it does, great. If it doesn't, then I'll watch the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern. So that's going to be the big thing I'm watching for NVIDIA. And now we're just going to be going over to SPY quickly. So SPY, same deal as yesterday. 437 resistance, 431.52 support. As long as we're staying in this range, as long as Microsoft and Apple stays in the range that it has been, then expect SPY to as well. And then last but not least, McDonald's. So let's see how we closed out today. Not bad, higher, but keep in mind we're still within this bear flag pattern. Even though I am long on the stock, that does not mean that I can't push down further. So just watch tomorrow and see if we end up breaking down the bear flag tomorrow, or if we start rallying up higher. If we rally higher, I might just have to go get a quarter pounder myself. If we don't, it is what it is. I'm not going to get nervous until we start breaking down the 200 EMA on the weekly, which I highly doubt will happen. But if it does, I'm okay with it because there's the amount of money I'm willing to lose within the trade, because it's worth the upside potential as well. But that's what I'm going to be watching for tomorrow. And I almost forgot to mention market news. There is no major market news tomorrow, so I'm going to be trading from basically probably 9:45 all the way to market close. So I'm not going to be really worried about any market news. But